With charging infrastructure expanding, range increasing, and domestic brands rising in strength, owning an EV is no longer unconventional. How to choose a new energy vehicle? What should you consider when buying an EV? These are growing concerns among young drivers. The first step in buying a car is setting your budget. Fourthing recommends allocating 6-18 months of household income for your EV purchase. If you're paying a mortgage, it's advisable to budget even less, preferably under 2 years' income, to avoid impacting your quality of life. Range is one of the top concerns for EV owners, especially in winter, when cold weather significantly reduces an EV's driving distance. So, when purchasing, it's best to choose models with heat pump air conditioning or battery preheating. For daily urban commuting, a 300 kilometers range is sufficient. 400 to 500 kilometers offers added peace of mind. For cost efficiency, extra range has limited value in cities, but for long-distance travel, a 600 kilometers plus range becomes necessary, which will cost more. After all, half of an EV's cost usually comes from its battery. The best EV experience comes with having a dedicated parking spot and charger. Plug in overnight and start each day fully charged. When buying, ask the dealer or manufacturer if a charger station is included, and check with your building management or power company about installation rules. Some communities may refuse installation due to safety concerns. Besides surface specs, don't overlook the core 3 electric systems in an EV. The 3 electric refers to the motor, controller, and battery system, like an internal combustion engine for gasoline cars. These directly affect handling and comfort. These systems make up about half the vehicle's cost, so pay attention to their warranty time and mileage. Repairs or battery replacement can be very expensive once out of warranty. Once you pick a model you like, be sure to test drive it to see if it meets your expectations. No matter what others recommend, what matters most is whether the car fits your needs and driving style. The right fit is key. Test drives usually use higher trim models, but actual purchase configurations may differ. So do your homework before the test drive. After reviewing your needs, you can start considering which brand to buy. Different brands have different styles, and even models within the same brand vary in positioning and features. For example, the Fourthing Friday is a great option. Fourthing Friday has a sporty, distinctive look, with a bold honeycomb grille design. It's powered by a front-mounted 204 horsepower permanent magnet motor, with a peak torque of 340 nanometers, accelerating from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 7.9 seconds. It offers 2 range options, 430 kilometers and 630 kilometers. Impressive for a compact SUV. Since its launch, Fourthing Friday has showcased strong product strength and market competitiveness as Dongfeng Fourthing's first new energy vehicle. Looking ahead, Dongfeng Fourthing will keep pushing innovation to create more possibilities for new energy mobility.